Hi, I am Abhijit Raj from Thrissur, Kerala. I have completed diploma in computer hardware and I want to gain skills in NDT, QAQC, piping, refining, safety, drilling to become oil and gas technician. I have completed diploma in oil and gas engineering. In oil and gas engineering, I learned about upstream, midstream, downstream. In upstream, exploration, reconstruction, drilling, oil production. In midstream, storage unit and transportation of oil and LNG. Downstream, refining, gasification and marketing. Welding, painting, NDT, quality control and quality assurance, safety engineering, all required to become oil and gas technician. I also understood how onshore and offshore drilling happens in real time. I also gained knowledge in drilling stages and oil well control, blowout preventer and Christmas tree installation. Production of oil and natural gas unit construction and safety procedures like handling of H2S gas etc. Midstream process, oil storage and gas storage. Storage units can be onshore or offshore. I learned how piping is so useful in midstream projects for transmission of oil and natural gas. Oil transportation is done through pipeline and oil tanker. Natural gas is compressed at minus 163 degree to convert into LNG and transported to gas plant for processing and production of CNG. Downstream process, refining and marketing. In refinery plant process, pipeline welding quality testing includes NDT and shutdown maintenance of process equipment like boiler, pressure vessel, heat exchangers, etc. Also learned knowledge in quality control like welding process, defectology, terms and definitions, weld fabrication, drawing and welding symbols, heat treatment and welding parameters. Also in quality assurance like documentation and report submission and how to read or prepare PWPS, WPS, PQR and how to qualify welder using WPS, ITP, material inspection etc. Also in NDT, I learned 5 methods like VT, PT, MPT, RT and UT. In DT, I learned burn test, tensile test, hardness test, toughness test. Now demonstration on PT. Before testing the test, specimen is pre-cleaned. I am using solvent cleaner to clean the surface. Now have to check light intensity for visible LPT method. This is lux meter and this value is 1115 its value. Now I am going to apply penetrant. Now we have to wait for few minutes called dwell time. Now dwell time is over. Now we have to remove excess penetrant for surface. Now we have to apply developer. I am using non-aqueous developer.